After 3 years of me starting this company, we were already the market leader. And so we, of course, had to make peripherals for every different type of game by that point because the retailers were just begging for it. Because the margins that they were making on the consoles were very low. The software margins were good, but there was huge risk in what games would sell. So they had a lot of inventory issues with software. And so they wanted to make a lot of money in the peripherals business. And we gave them a very high margin in this business because we controlled our own manufacturing, we did our own development. But this was a product, we got it licensed by Dale Earnhardt Jr. I think I probably sold 500,000 units of this. This was a steering wheel that was on every shelf across the nation. We had it for every format, PC, Sega, Nintendo, Sony. We had it for everything. And this whole steering wheel business was huge for us for a time.